that's pouring down raining. They have the stretcher outside in the rain. Pouring down raining, y'all. I know y'all can't see that, man. I gotta sit zoomed in, but well, you can see it now. Pouring down raining. They about to put the body on a wet ass stretcher. Look at that.
There you go.
Ambulance is here. Come to rescue. But then they leave the stretcher out motherfucking side. In the rain. It ain't drizzling. It ain't sprinkling. It ain't misting. It's raining, pouring down. Look at that. A1, boy. Gonna make sure we are okay.
When it's raining, don't call the ambulance.
Right, bring the body out in the rain. Yep. Oh shit. Damn. That's a black bag?
What?
I don't know. Right. Damn. Yeah. They covered them up, man. They covered them up. And I hope you're alright. They did good, y'all.